Hello everyone, my name is Alberto, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you how to resize just the size of a pair of men's pants in this case. This is a pair of shorts. Turns out it wasn't exactly the correct size. I've been asked if I could adjust them. Thankfully they're not constructed like a chino, for example, but more like a men's classic pant. So they have an allowance at the back. I started by removing the label because that obstructs the area where we're gonna work. And then you are going to notice that the belt is sort of tacked in place to the pockets usually. So it's just a couple stitches. So we're gonna rip them really quickly. Very, very simple. And then the last thing we need to take off is the belt loop at the center, if there is one, because obviously that's gonna stitch together the parts as well. This is a little trickier to take off because usually it is sewn kind of tightly, but with a little patience you can sort of go from both sides and slowly just cut and break every seam. Once that is done, we will be able to flip the belt inside out. And in this case, we're making them bigger, so that's not a problem. If you were to make them smaller, you would do the same thing, but you would have to open a bit more in order to work nicely. I'm pinning in place the joins of the belt just because I want to make sure they don't turn up crooked once we do our new seam. And then I'm simply sewing a new back seam much closer to the edge. In this case I'm taking all the space I can get, so I'm gonna go at about 1 centimeter because that way I'm gonna be able to keep it sort of even with the binding that's on the edges. And very simply I threaded my machine with the same color thread. I'm using a very small stitch because I wanted to keep it quite nice and strong, and I'm just basically sewing everything at 1 centimeter to the point where I'm gonna zero in at the old seam right about at the crotch seam, because this way is a lot more even and I'm not gonna have any dents or any sort of ugly marks. Once that's done, we're gonna go and remove the older seam. And once that is done, you will see that when the seam opens up, you have sort of these marks. That's normal. If the pants were worn, these are new, so it's not as noticeable. If the pants were worn, it might happen that the part where the fold is sort of faded a little bit. In that case, you might have to revise the plan. But if they're fairly new, usually you can sort of bring them back. I'm just gonna iron everything in place, and with the help of a lot of steam and some heat, that's gonna hide the old seam markings, so it virtually will be invisible, the modification we made. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm also gonna press back in shape the waistband because obviously that part was flipped, so it didn't have the exact same shape. And I'm gonna press from the outside as well with a guard so I don't make any unsightly marks on the fabric. Once that is done, I'm gonna clean up any sort of rogue threads that we might have around. I'm gonna start by sewing back our belt loop. In this case, just gonna sew it back exactly as it was, so one side is flipped up, out, and stitched only inside, the other side is stitched on top. That depends on how the pant was constructed, obviously. Again, I'm gonna use a very small stitch. Normally, they actually use a specific stitch, which is a very small zigzag, to attach them. It's a specific machine. I don't have it. It's barely noticeable, so it doesn't really matter. But as long as you use a very tiny stitch, you're not gonna see any difference. Once that is done, we are gonna reattach the little tags that block the waistband to the pockets. This is effectively the waistband lining. I'm calling it the waistband. It's just to understand. And this I'm gonna do by hand. So I'm just gonna thread, in this case in white, small needle, and just do a couple stitches per side. Very, very simple. I'm just gonna attach to the pocket, so you're not gonna see anything from the outside. That's just to keep it in place. You don't exactly need this. It's just sort of a little finishing touch that normally is done on sort of higher level clothing. These are cheaper pants, but they still have it, so just gonna redo it. And that's it. If you want, you can reattach your label, and that's it. So there we go. Hope this was useful for you. It was a sort of quick, short little video. Please like and subscribe if you aren't. It's a great help. And I'll see you in the next time. Have a great day. Bye.